So we're developing this tool. Someone is asking if I'm real. I'm a hybrid, AI human. Quality is the signal quality. Quality of the signal. This is JavaScript. So we're mainly just doing JavaScript. The reason we're doing JavaScript is so we can share the stuff we make with you. So it doesn't just stay on my machine. We can actually share it with you. Oh, so not Java, we're using JavaScript. A big difference, I think. I don't know about Java, but JavaScript is essentially a version, maybe it's a version of Java, but it's something that you can deploy on your website. So, which I do. We deploy everything we do is available on BioniChaos.com. And go check it out. Yeah, .com is the website. .com is the website. We are live at the moment on YouTube as well. So we might be talking to an AI bot as well. That's what we normally do. Yeah, so we are live at the moment. We're developing this website. I don't know if you can see on the stream. You should be able to see my website. And we are developing. We'll jump into development as well. So we normally try to chat to someone. So that's good. Then we... Yeah, it's the prosthetic arm is a simulation, obviously. Well, I mean, sorry, not obviously, but it is a simulation. Wait. Yeah, so it's just cycling through demo preset demo actions. So it's cycling through grip, reach, wave, grip show. You can move it yourself. So everything we do is available on BioniChaos.com. You can check it all yourself. Oh, how the well, I mean, this is a simulation of what is it called? Four. What is it called when you have 4 parts to it? 4 axis? No, 4. Oh, I forget the name. 4 DOF, degrees of freedom. Yes, it's a simulation of 4 degrees of freedom. So grip and wrist, elbow, shoulder. Well, ideally we'll attach it to someone. I mean, maybe you can do like a video where it's like you. What happened to my camera? What happened to my camera? Oh, it's back online. Yeah, it's all AI. So yeah, we use a lot of AI. It's pretty much all of it is AI generated. Physics simulators. This one you can add up to 4 magnets. Move them around, rotate them. It will show you the magnetic fields. So I have videos. On this. That show how it works and everything. So, I mean, yeah. So we're developing with AI. So we develop it with bots, then testing it live. It's all happening on this YouTube channel. So don't forget to like, subscribe, smash that like button, whatever other YouTubers say. I don't think we'll have time to develop today. I'm not sure if we jump into development or not. We were doing some yesterday. That didn't go well. Yeah, the AI gods weren't nice to us yesterday. Yeah. Now, most of the time it actually does. Like when it doesn't work, it's probably me not knowing what I want, kind of thing. This one is based on a YouTube video from like 7 years ago. The math channel, the 1 brown, 3 blue, whatever. So it actually will try to replicate your drawing with whatever 10 vectors, with how many vectors you set. So one vector will be just a circle. The two vectors will be obviously an ellipse. Yeah, it's on the side. It's running on the. Anyhow, yes. So yeah, we have a lot of videos on this one already. We have a lot of videos on this one already. Yeah, everything we do eventually goes on this side, so let us know if you checked any of these tools. Hey, go check them out. Let us know what you think. Provide your feedback. Provide your feedback. Let's try drawing a like button. Can we draw a like button? Yeah, we had some new tools coming up as well. We have that histology thing that we did yesterday, but we'll probably leave it for now. Yeah, I'll go over them. Eventually they will appear. Either at the top if they're working well, or at the bottom if they don't. Yeah, I had this drawing tool. Can select your fold count. Select your fold count. I can click enter. Works with keyboard shortcuts as well. Works with keyboard shortcut. Works with keyboard shortcut. We're just testing stuff we made before. This is measuring blood pressure. Actually measuring blood pressure. Measuring blood pressure. So if I'm getting annoyed or something, it will go higher. You can show it on a larger screen. Yeah, you can try it yourself. You can try this application yourself. You can try it. Try it. All by yourself. Yeah, people don't believe it's actually working, but well, it doesn't. But if you stay still, if you don't move, and anyhow, yeah. So if I stay still, it will actually measure my blood pressure. Maybe if the light is good. What is it now? 71. 71. Let's see. 71. You see a better kind of signal. Have to stop moving. Yeah, the signal is there. Yeah, 71. There you go. Well, if you start moving again, then it will mess up the reading. But I mean, my watch is fluctuating. The reading on my smartwatch is also fluctuating quite a bit. So. So what is your goal with all of this? It's a very philosophical question. I'll have to not move and relax and bring my blood pressure down to answer that. I can't get a good signal. The light, I think it's the light in the room over there. What else were we doing? We were doing filters. Someone gave me an idea. I was talking to someone before who probably had a few drinks. So we were thinking doing like a simulation of what happens when you're having too many drinks. So it will look something like this. But then you could have a double vision. So we could simulate double vision. How about simulating double vision? Nah, it's just a silly idea, is it? Simulating double vision. Do edge detection. What else can we add? Probably can add other things. Anyhow, if you have any questions, pop them in the chat. We'll be going over these simulations later on. Yeah, we have eye detection as well, obviously. It's kind of an obvious one to have, isn't it? Another one that you have to like calibrate depending on your light in the room and stuff. Depending on the light in the room. Depending on the light in the room. So yeah, let me know if you have any questions. We might continue tomorrow. Yeah, there are videos of me like using this and getting a correct reading out of it. But yeah, this one's obviously incorrect. $70. 69. Yeah, close enough. Close enough. Close enough. Close enough. Close enough. Close enough.